I'm not really sure about this one if I really like this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good, and today I have so many empties to share with you, and I'm going to share if I like them or if I'm going to buy them again or if I'm not going to buy them again. So if you want to know what all I have in my empties and what are my thoughts on them, please keep watching. Before starting this video, let me tell you all the opinion, all the product that I'm going to share, and my opinion about these products are completely my opinion. It is how that has worked for me, and if I don't like it, why I don't like it, that is my personal reason. And if something is working for you, it might not work for me, and if something is working for me, it might not work for you. So please keep that in mind, and let's start with the video. So first empty I have is this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Advanced Repairing Shampoo. I've been using it for 4 to 5 years. I mean, it's good. Obviously diet matters, whatever you eat that matters, what your lifestyle is, that matters a lot. But if you are looking for a good shampoo for hair fall and everything, I think it worked for me very well. And also the pink and black one, my sister tried it and it worked for her. She was having like more hair fall than me and it worked for her. But I tried the pink and black one. I don't have anything bad to say about that, but I thought that fragrance was too strong and I didn't want any shampoo with very strong fragrance, so I stick to this one. But she was using it for a very long time. I think she still uses it. I'm not sure about that, but she is also happy about that shampoo, and I really like this shampoo and it worked for me. Okay, so next empty I have is this again, L'Oreal Paris 6 Oil Nourishing Conditioner Scalp Plus Hair. This is the one, and I really like this conditioner. Actually, the one which comes with this shampoo I really don't like. I mean, I like this one better than the conditioner which comes with this one, because this is more like a more nourishing. I feel after using this shampoo it works better than that one. My hair becomes more smoother than that one. So this one is really affordable. Like, it's affordable conditioner and it is for what, 185 rupees for 192.5 ml. So I think it's really affordable. If you want to try some conditioner, I think it's a good one. You can try this one. Next product I have is Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circles Eye Cream. So I am not, I would say that I'm not very happy about the product. I am happy about the product. I have a little bit of dark circle and it was not that prominent, but it reduced my dark circle, but not that much. So I'm not really sure about this one if I really like this. I mean, I like this one, but I'm not sure if I really like this one. Things I like about it is it has this kind of, you know, tube which is very pointy. So I mean, it's good if I apply like directly here 1 to 2 3 dots, and then I just pat it around my eyes and everything. It works easily and it absorbs in few seconds, doesn't take much time, and it's very lightweight also. And if you just want to keep your eyes moisturized, under eyes moisturized, or around your skin around your eyes area, you can use this cream. But I am going to try more of eye creams. Next product I have is this Nivea Soft Vitamin E Light Moisturizer. So it's very lightweight, and I don't think I need to say anything about Nivea, because Nivea has been there for a very long time and it has been there in every household at some point of time. So I feel I don't need to talk about it. I generally like all of their product. Right now I'm using their face wash and I like it. So this is the cream, like light moisturizer, and I think everyone knows because it's been there in market for maybe more than 2 to 3 years now. So it's lightweight, it's hydrating as well. Actually, I like it better than the Nivea blue one, which is very thick, and it's a task to, you know, spread that cream, and it's really difficult. But I really like this one. I have maybe used 3 to 4 tubs of this cream so far, but right now I'm using something else, and maybe I'll use this again if I want to, but right now I'm trying new things. So next one I have is this sunscreen, which is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50+. So I like this sunscreen. I really like this sunscreen, and it doesn't give you white cast. It's, you know, it doesn't make your skin look like very sticky and like that. So this is the one sunscreen that I really like. But I also like the Lotus 3-in-1 sunblock, something like that. It has a little bit of tint, but if I want to use clear sunscreen or something, I will go with this one, and I really like this one. It's not like other sunscreen. Next one I have is this Neutrogena liquid pure mild facial cleanser. It says it is for all skin type, which is
from OnePlus 60.
Okay, so next one I have is liquid Neutrogena pure mild facial cleanser for all skin type. Okay, it says for all skin type, but I don't know, it didn't work for me. I mean, I felt kind of dry after using this. I have seen people saying that it is okay, it doesn't make you dry and everything, but for me it was making me dry after using this a little bit. Not very dry, but a little bit of dryness I was feeling on my face, and I didn't like that. But I didn't get any pimples or acne or anything of that sort. If you are oily skin, maybe you can give it a try, it will work for you. It didn't work for me. It makes my skin feel dry. Next up I have is Himalaya moisturizing aloe vera facial wipes. First of all, I don't generally like to use wipes because it's bad for environment, and you have other solution to remove your makeup or anything if you want. Oil cleansing method or micellar water. So generally I don't use wipes, so I just keep 2 to 3 packs with me. If I feel very lazy that day, I don't want to go through that process, or if I'm in hurry, if I'm doing some swatches for my video and I just want to quickly remove my makeup, so in that case I just want to use the wipes. Otherwise on day-to-day basis I don't use. What happens is I just use 1 to 2 wipes in beginning, and once you open the packet, it doesn't go back to, you know, sealed one. Like, it doesn't stick completely. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or anything, but it happened before as well with different wipes. Again, I'm not just talking about Himalaya one, I'm talking about wipes in general. So whenever I use 1 to 2 wipes and I open the packet, so next time it doesn't go to completely, you know, close. It doesn't closes completely, and my wipes are dry now because I don't use it on everyday basis. It's kind of useless for me, because if I cannot use it when I want, it's useless to buy just, you know, big pack of 25 wipes if I just can use 2 to 3 wipes, you know. So I just don't like this idea. I mean, why it doesn't closes? I have problem with that. I really want to keep some wipes in my vanity to use in emergency purpose, use in emergency for different purposes, but I don't want to use it on everyday basis. But I want some solution for this, and no wipe works for me. Yeah, so I don't think I'm going to buy wipes again. I don't know, maybe I need to have the micellar water itself and need to work with that. Or if you guys have some other wipes that actually works properly, it doesn't dries out, like it doesn't dry out after like 1 to 2 months or something, if it is kept like that, so let me know. But I have a problem, I'm not gonna buy any wipes, not just Himalaya. The next up I have is L'Oreal Professional Paris Serie Expert Lipidium Absolute Repair Hair Serum. I think this hair serum is really good. I mean, it's really good. It is kind of expensive. It is for, again, the price is not given on the bottle, so I had to keep the outer box to look at the price again, but or I have to search on Google. But the price was somewhere around 700 600, in between that, which is, I feel like it might be kind of expensive for others, but again, the product is really good. I mean, if you use it now, your hair becomes so smooth. And sometimes if you use sometimes if you use serum on your hand and then apply it in your hair, then your hand will have little bit of product on your hand and your hand look like feels oily and sticky and everything. But this hair serum doesn't feel like that, and your hair soaks up everything and it becomes very smooth and soft and shiny and everything. I really like this serum. Last but not the least product I have is Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. This thing, oh my god, I've used up maybe 4 to 5 files of this one, maybe more than that. Before this I was like Maybelline mascara is coming, like is in my bag since beginning when I started doing makeup and when I started gravitating towards mascara and everything. The first one was the black and pink one, Curl Express or something. I used that one first and then I used this one, and I like this one better. I don't dislike that one, but I like this one better. It gives you very good volume and everything, and it's waterproof one. I really like this. I have used so many files of this one and I always have a backup. Maybe this time also I have a backup in my bag, so I keep 2 mascara with me, one in my at my home and one in my bag. So if you're just looking out for some mascara, and I don't think it's very expensive, it's okayish range. Like, what is the price? 405 for waterproof one. It's really good. That was it for today's video. I really hope you like this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, this mini review, this sharing empties and everything, what I use and what works for me, what doesn't work for me, what I'm happy about and what I don't like. So all these things I shared with you. I really hope it was helpful to you. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and leave some comment in the comment section if you have some good recommendation for something. If you want to say something about wife's problem that I have, if you have some solution for that, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. And also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.